Good morning. This is your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing, continuing with mostly sunny conditions out there this morning, and going to continue on that quiet and dry weather pattern that we've been in over the next couple days before we'll see a pretty strong area of low pressure move up the coast and bring some rainy and windy conditions to end the weekend. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we could see this area of high pressure dominating pretty much the eastern half of the country. That's helping to keep those quiet conditions out there, and again, that will continue over the next couple days before we see that area of low pressure uh, developing in the Gulf of Mexico and moving up through the southeast states. If we look at the upper level winds from this morning's sounding, we're seeing north-northeasterly winds closest to the surface. Then those winds become north-northwesterly to northwesterly as we go up through the column, seeing that peak wind of 63 knots at 25,000 feet, and the freezing level this morning was at the surface. Looking at the current visible satellite, we can see those mostly clear skies, just a few high clouds streaming through the area. That will likely continue through the morning, and then we'll see clearing skies as we go into the evening. And over the next few days, we'll continue with mostly sunny conditions, but overall fairly light winds across the region, and we're starting to see those temperatures climb into the 40-degree range. If we look at the European model here, see how things play out over the next 7 days. Again, that area high pressure dominates the forecast over the next couple of days. We'll see a chilly day today, but then we'll see temperatures moderating as we go into Friday, and that continues as we go into Saturday. We'll start to see clouds on the increase as we go through the day on Saturday, and then we start to see that area of low pressure coming into the picture here. Better agreement with the modeling as we get closer to this event, and looks like we'll see that area of low pressure stay just inland and move up these southeast states and moving just west of the local area. It's going to start bringing rain chances, and those winds will start increasing as we get into the day on Sunday, particularly into the second half of the day. And as you can see here, as that area of low pressure moves just west of the area, we'll see the most likely the strongest rain and strongest wind moving through the local area as we get late in the day, Sunday, and overnight into Monday morning. So that's when we'll see our highest wind gust values and our highest rain totals moving through. That rain continues as we go into the morning hours on Monday, as that area of low pressure still continues to linger around. And as we get to the second half of Monday, we should start to see most of the rain activity out of here, but we'll continue with some lingering rain chances still in the area, and that area of low pressure continues to track away, but this upper level low kind of lingers over the region, and that's going to keep low end chances of precip continuing as we go into the day on Tuesday, helping to support maybe a rain shower here or there during the day on Tuesday. Those breezy conditions continue as well through this time period, so not much relief from that. Won't be as bad as the Sunday night to Monday morning time frame, but continue slightly breezy to breezy conditions into Tuesday. And then as we get into Wednesday, it looks like we'll start to see that upper level low moving out of the area and things remaining dry and some sun returning to the sky there. So looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, expecting green conditions over the next 24 hours. We'll see temperature getting up to around 44 to 45 degrees this afternoon with a wind out of the north-northwest at 6 to 11 knots. Then as we go through the evening, again, we're expecting a clear evening this evening that allows temperatures to cool down to around 33 degrees. We'll see those winds becoming more westerly as we get into Friday morning, around 3 to 8, 4 to 9 knots to start the day on Friday. Tides are running normal, and if we look at the next 7 days, again, continue quiet weather over the next couple of days. See a mostly sunny day on Friday. These temperatures will moderate with a high around 55 degrees. Another high around 55 degrees for Saturday with a low around 35. But we'll see those clouds on the increase ahead of that system. And then as we go into Sunday, we'll see more mild weather with a low around 45 and that high pushing 60. But again, we'll see that rain start moving in. Light rain by late morning, and then increase in rain activity as we go into the PM time frame there. And then again, we'll see breezy conditions picking up as that low approaches and becoming windy as we go through the evening time frame and into the morning on Monday. Rain chances continue through most or the first half of the day of Monday, and then we'll start to see just a lingering chance after that. Again, with that surface low departing and that upper level low lingering over the area. Another mild day from Monday, then we'll see cooler air behind that as the surface low departs. With temperatures similar to what we're seeing today, we'll see a low around 35 and a high around 45 on Tuesday. Continued cloud cover, breezy conditions, and then slightly cooler day on Wednesday with a little more sun and breezy conditions with a low around 29 and our high around 44. That wraps up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 to 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.